Hey y'all, welcome back to Closkitchen. Y'all, I found some ground beef for the low.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So we gonna make some cheap spaghetti. Y'all ready? Let's cook. Let's first chop the onion, garlic, bell pepper, and basil. Are y'all liking the cheap meals recipes? We love garlic, it adds so much flavor, especially in spaghetti sauce. We have to finely chop the garlic. Alright y'all, we prepped all the vegetables. Drop the garlic in the preheated oil. Do y'all use fresh or powdered garlic? Add the meat and cook until it's no longer pink. We gotta break the meat apart. This ain't no meatball recipe. Drain the oil and resume cooking. No high cholesterol here. Let's go ahead and add the chopped vegetables with a few pieces of fresh basil. Let's add some flavor with some dry seasonings. Now let's cover the meat with this rich tomato sauce. We don't care about the brand. It's affordable and is how we season the sauce.
And that's on period.
Let it simmer on low. Cook the spaghetti noodles by following the directions on the package. We are also preheating the oven for the garlic bread. Check it out, we did that, y'all. Looking and smelling good. Inflation where, y'all, we're still eating good for less. Subscribe for more cheap recipes. Y'all, we got our side of garlic bread. Told y'all we can eat real good on $10.